Here in this question, there are two blocks connected with a string and a string resting on a pulley, and it is said that when the system is released, find out the extension in the spring under the state of uniform acceleration. Also, find the acceleration of 40 kg block. Now we can see in the diagram there are two blocks, 30 kg which is hanging with the help of a spring. There is a pulley, and there is another block 40 kg which is resting on a horizontal surface, which is frictionless surface, connected with a string. And also we are given the spring constant K, which is 2400 Newton per meter. Now let us solve this problem. This block will have tendency to move down, and 30 g Newton force will be acting downwards, which is its weight. Because of this downward force, the spring will elongate and it will have a restoring force developed in it. Say restoring force F developed in the spring is Kx. We need to understand this. This block is going downwards, so the spring will elongate. When spring elongate, the restoring force will try to compress it. So restoring force will act like this as shown in the diagram. This restoring force, since the string is connected with the spring, so the tension in the string would be same as Kx, because it is single body uniform string connected with the string. If tension is not equal to Kx, then the string will slack, so the tension has to be equal to the Kx. Now let's make equation for the motion. Suppose this block is going downwards with acceleration A. Since block 40 kg block is connected with string and spring, so this block will also move with the same acceleration A in horizontal direction. For 30 kg block, let's write down equation. 30 g, which is the weight of the block, minus Kx, which is the spring force, is equal to 30 into A. This is our equation number 1. Now if we write equation for 40 kg block, the only force acting on 40 kg block is tension, which is Kx. So Kx is equal to 40 A. This is equation number 2. If we add equation number 1 and 2, the Kx gets cancelled and we have 30g is equal to 70A. So from here the acceleration comes 3/7 g meter per second square. So with this acceleration, this block will go down, and this 40 kg block will move in positive x direction with this acceleration. Now the first part, the extension in the spring. Now we know the acceleration. If we put the value of A in equation number 2, Kx becomes 40 into 3/7 g. The value of K is given here, so x becomes 120/7. K is 2400 into g. I am taking g is 10 meter per second square. If we solve this, x comes 1/40 meters. this would be the extension in the spring. So the extension in the spring would be 1 by 14 meters, and the acceleration of the block system would be 3 by 7 into g meter per second square. This is the answer.